Hello YouTubers, this is Richard here again with my box fan. It doesn't have a manufacturer name on it, it's just specially made for B&Q in China. It's got 5 blades, very nice mesh, and the suction power this thing has at the back is unbelievable. It has 3 speeds. I paid £12.74 for it, which was a bargain to be honest, because some desk fans are 9-inch with 2 speeds are usually at that price, so I got this box fan instead. I'll put it onto 1. If I put the plug down, let's put that down, that's it. This is 1. Sounds like one of them vent exhaust fans you find in some stores on number 1. You can just you can't feel it because it's camera, but I can feel suction power from back. Let me show you what I mean. See that? That's how powerful this thing is, and that's only on 1. 2. It's on number 2. It sounds like one of them Bell Jet Ranger helicopters or the Long Rangers. And number 3. Turn it off. Thank you.